Hello everyone, I am Chaitra from Interface College of Computer Applications, Davangere. Today I am here to explain about the topics of computer memory and its types. Computer memory. A memory is just like a human brain. It is used to store data and instructions. The memory is divided into large number of small parts called cells. Computer memory is the storage space in the computer where data is to be processed and instructions required for processing are stored. Computer memory is classified into three types: cache memory, primary memory. It is also called as main memory, secondary memory. Cache memory. Cache memory is a very high speed semiconductor memory which can be speed up the CPU. It acts as a buffer between the CPU and the main memory. Cache memory is also act as a buffer, means intermediate between the central processing unit and the main memory. There are some advantages of cache memory. The advantages are: cache memory is faster than main memory. Cache memory is faster than the main memory. It consumes less time as compared to main memory. Cache memory consumes less time when compared to the main memory. It stores the program that can be executed within a short period of time. Cache memory stores the program and executed within the short period of time. It stores data for temporary use. There are some disadvantages of cache memory. Cache memory has limited capacity. It is very expensive. Primary memory. Primary memory, it is also called as main memory. Primary memory holds only those data and instructions on which the computer is currently working. It has a limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. It is generally made up of semiconductor device. Primary memory is made up of semiconductor devices. Characteristics of main memory are primary memory. These are semiconductor memories and usually volatile memory. It is the working memory of the computer, faster than secondary memory. A computer cannot run without the primary memory. A computer cannot run without the primary memory. There are the types of main memory, two types: RAM and ROM. RAM, it is an abbreviation of random access memory. It is a part of computer's main memory which is directly accessible by CPU. RAM is used to read and write data into it, which is accessed by CPU randomly. RAM, it is also used to read and write memory. RAM is volatile in nature. It means if the power goes off, the stored information is lost. RAM classified into two types: SRAM. It is an static RAM. It means static RAM. DRAM, it means dynamic RAM. Static RAM is used primarily to create CPU speed sensitive cache. Static RAM is not required to be refreshed, which makes it significantly fast. We'll move on to dynamic RAM. Dynamic RAM is required to refresh it consistently. Dynamic RAM consists memory cells with paired transistors. We'll move on to ROM. ROM stands for read-only memory. The memory from which we can only read but cannot write on it. In ROM we cannot write on it. We can read only memory. This type of memory is non-volatile. The information is stored permanently in such memories during manufacture. The ROM stores such instructions that are required to start a computer. This operation is referred to as a bootstrap. ROM chips are not only used in the computer but also in other electronic items like washing machine and microwave oven. Types of ROM. MROM. It's an abbreviation of masked read-only memory. PROM. Programmable read-only memory. EPROM. Erasable and programmable read-only memory. EEPROM. Electrically erasable and programmable read-only memory. Next, secondary memory. If we need to store large amount of data or programs permanently, we need a cheaper and a permanent memory. Such memory is called secondary memory. We need to store the large amount of data and programs permanently. We need a cheaper memory. That memory is called secondary memory. Secondary memory devices are used to store large amount of data, audio, video, and multimedia files. Characteristics of secondary memory. It is non-volatile. It retains data when power is switched off. It is a large capacities to the tune of terabytes. It is a cheaper as compared to primary memory. Secondary memory, when compared to primary memory, it is cheaper. Depending on whether secondary memory device is a part of CPU or not, there are two types of secondary memories. There are types of secondary memories: hard disk drive, DVD drive, pen drive, floppy disk drive. Thank you.